So hi there, welcome back. Today I'm super excited to share one amazing crypto project with all of you, that is Edgecoin Pay. So let's get started. So guys, what is Edgecoin? Edgecoin is the world's first educational stablecoins that provides an open payment system for an educational institutions where individual can make education related transactions such as enrollment fees, accommodations. As you can see guys, this is the official website of Edgecoin, and as I said earlier, Edgecoin is a blockchain project whose native token is stable like USDT, BUSD, TUSD or any other stable coin. So as we all know that there are so many blockchain projects which is based on education, but the bad thing about that project is the native token of that particular project fluctuates. But this is the features of this project, that the official or native token of this project will be stable, so we don't need to worry about the price fluctuations. So guys, as you can see, they are launching their mobile app very soon. As you can see the live countdown, this app will be available on Google Play and App Store respectively. Here is how you can use their mobile applications. First you have to install it and make an account on that, and then you will be able to buy Edgecoin from that app, and then you can easily use your token Edgecoin. And guys, as you can see, why we should choose Edgecoin over other crypto project. The features is instant transactions, reduced costs, the world's first educational stablecoin, as I said to you, global system and secure, automatically stake Gradcoin while holding Edgecoin. This is the features. So guys, let's see the details of Edgecoin token. As you can see, the name is Edgecoin, abbreviations or token symbol is EDGT, type of token is stable coin, the value of 1 EDGT is 1 USDT, and total supply is this. And guys, if you want to buy EDGT token, you can buy from here. And here you can check all the fund distribution, token distributions, and as you can see, right now they have more than 100,800 users on their platform, and right now they are supporting 320 countries. And guys, from here you can check the roadmap of this project, and this is the team. You can check all of their LinkedIn profile, Twitter profile as well. And the main thing is their partners and supporters. In their official website they have explained that how CoinMarketCap is supporting their project, and Probit, Xbit, Simons and Simons. So guys, that was the video about Edgecoin. I hope you will like it. I will provide all the links of this project in the description box. You can learn more from there. So guys, thank you for watching my video. I will bring new project very soon. Thank you.